Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your one-stop guide for pharmacy students. In today's video, we're diving deep into GPAT 2025. What is GPAT? Why it's so important after M.Pharm? And how you can crack it in your very first attempt. So let's get started. What is GPAT? GPAT stands for Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. It's a national-level entrance exam conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTA) for students who have completed or are in the final year of their B.Pharmacy. Through this exam, you can get admission into M.Pharm courses, and more importantly, it's your gateway to scholarships, research opportunities, and even PSU jobs. Why is GPAT important after B.Pharmacy? Think of GPAT as the NET of the pharmacy world. If you clear it, many doors open up. You get AICTE scholarships up to 12,400 rupee per month for your post-graduation. You can get into top colleges like M.Pharm, BITS, and JSS. GPAT score is also accepted in government sectors like drug inspectors, pharmacovigilance roles, and PSUs like BHEL or ONGC. So if you're serious about building a strong career after B.Pharmacy, GPAT is a must. GPAT 2026 exam pattern. Microphone. The GPAT exam is a computer-based test, similar to NET but focused on pharmaceutical sciences. Total questions, 125. Marks per question, 4. Total marks, 500. Negative marking, -1 for each wrong answer. Duration, 3 hours. It covers pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, and other subjects from your B.Pharm syllabus. Eligibility criteria for GPAT. You are eligible if you have completed your B.Pharm or are in the final year. Diploma holders in pharmacy are not eligible. There is no age limit. So even if you're a 4th semester student now, start early, prepare smart. How to crack GPAT in first attempt? Cracking GPAT is all about smart preparation, not just hard work. Here are 5 tips. Know the syllabus. Focus on core subjects from B.Pharm like pharmacology, pharmaceutics, and chemistry. Make a daily study plan. Just 3 to 4 hours a day consistently is enough. Use MCQs and previous papers. Solve at least 3 to 4 mock tests every week. Time management. Practice solving 125 questions in 3 hours regularly. Revision. Revise formulas, classification tables, and drug mechanisms frequently. And remember, don't skip subjects like pharmacognosy or biochemistry. Even 2-3 questions from these can make a big difference. Best books for GPAT preparation. Some of the best GPAT books recommended by toppers are The Pearson Guide to GPAT by Akaberi Shah, GPAT Cracker by GPATindia.com, MCQ books by Piyush Publications, subject-wise standard books like K.D. Tripathi, Pharmacology, Lachman, Pharmaceutics, and Morrison and Boyd, Organic Chemistry. Top colleges accepting GPAT score. With a good GPAT score, you can enter India's top pharmacy institutes like M.Pharm, all branches, BITS Pilani, JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty Mysore, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab University, Jamia Hamdard, Delhi. These colleges offer world-class education, research, and placement, scholarships and career opportunities after GPAT. If you crack GPAT, you get 12,400 rupees per month AICTE scholarship during M.Pharm. Priority in drug inspector, pharmacovigilance, and teaching jobs. Eligibility for CSIR, ICMR, and international PhD fellowships. Scope in companies like Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Novartis. Also, a good GPAT score helps in government sector and research institutions like M.Pharm or even foreign universities. Conclusion and motivation. So friends, GPAT is not just another exam. It's a golden opportunity for every B.Pharm student. If you start early, stay consistent, and follow a smart plan, you can definitely crack it in the first attempt. Believe in yourself. Even if your academic scores are average, GPAT can change your career. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. All the best for GPAT 2026. Your dream is waiting.